What's up, guys? Welcome back to All Wings Everything. I am your cook, Spinelli. I am the self-proclaimed wing king and the prince and ruler of all lemon pepper wings. No ands, ifs, or buts about it. Now, today's video, we're gonna do something just a little different. I've been getting a lot of questions and comments of people asking me, Spinelli, do you eat anything else along with the wings that you prepare? And the answer to that is yes, of course. So I decided to show you guys some of the foods that I make along with my wing recipes. So today what we're gonna do baked avocado fries. So if you like avocados, this is the recipe for you. I hope you're in your kitchen. I'm already in mine, so let's go. All right, guys, so the first thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys what are we using for this recipe. We're gonna use 3 avocados. I have 3/4 cups of breadcrumbs. I have 1/3 cup of flour. Have 1/3 of a cup of grated Parmesan cheese. 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. I have 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. 2 tablespoons of milk. And I have 1 egg whisked. So this is what we're going to use for this recipe. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut our avocados. So what I do is I cut it lengthwise and then cut it all the way around. Of course, you're not going to be able to cut through this avocado because that big seed that's in the middle. And once you do that, you open this avocado up like that. Because you want to make sure your avocados are not fully ripe yet, because they're going to be too soft for you to cut them, and then that seed is going to pop out of there. So we got the seed out. So what you want to do next is you're just going to cut these bad babies into like fingers, right? Just like that, lengthwise. You should be able to get about 4 fingers, depending on how thick you want your fingers to be. And once you do that, you just remove the shell of it like that, and then you have your first piece. All right, so now that we have our avocados sliced up into the fry pieces, so what we're going to do now is we're going to prepare our flour. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add our salt, flour, add your garlic powder, and pepper is optional. If you guys want to use pepper, you don't have to, but I love cooking with pepper, so I'm adding pepper to mine. And I'm going to give this a quick stir to get that all together. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to prepare our breadcrumb. So I'm going to take this 1/3 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, put it in there. Also our smoked paprika. I have to cook with that too. I love smoked paprika. And our red pepper. Again, you don't have to use red pepper if you don't want to. If you don't, it's really not going to have any heat to it, but it just adds a little bit extra flavor to it, guys. So you can add that. I recommend adding it. It's not going to be hot, so you don't have to worry about that. And give that a good whisk also. All right, and then the last thing we're going to do is we're going to take our egg that we whisked up, add our milk to it, and just give that a nice little whisk. All right, so now we are ready to get these things coated and into the oven. All right, let's go. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is I've already lined our baking sheet with some aluminum foil, and I'm going to take some of this cooking spray and I'm just going to spray it over our grates. All right, and so now how we're going to do this is we're going to take the avocado, we're going to flour it. Guys, this is a very tedious process. It could take a while to do all these avocados individually. You want to shake off as much. Drop it in the egg wash. Coat both sides of in the egg wash. And then after that, what you want to do is you want to drop this over here with the breadcrumbs. All right, take a look at this, guys. All right, and then you want to just sit that on your grate. Do the same thing with this one. And then we'll get this thing coated. Again, like I say, guys, this could take a lot of time. I just want to show you how to do a couple of them. And once I get them all coated, I'll be right back for you guys to see the final product. All right. All right, guys, see, this is what we have. They are fully breaded and coated. So let's go into the next step, and I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna do in the next step. Now that we have them on the baking sheet, take a look at that. All right, so I'm gonna stick them in the oven and I'm gonna let them cook for 15 to 18 minutes until they're crisp, and I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, guys, so here are the cooked avocado fries. So guys, take a look at these fries and let me know what you guys think about this. All right, so let's go ahead and get these things plated up. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and plate these things up. Guys, these things smell good. You can smell that Parmesan cheese and all those spices. These things smell delicious. And like I say, guys, these go good. What I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm gonna save you guys some trouble. These avocado fries go good with those buffalo ranch wings. So click that card right there that you see on your screen after you watch this video, and I'm telling you, these go good with those buffalo ranch wings. And the last thing we're going to do to top this thing off, guys, how we're going to top it off? We're going to top it off with some of this avocado ranch dressing. I mean, what else would you top it off with? Some avocado ranch dressing. My goodness. Take a look at that. Absolutely amazing. So all right, guys, I got my plate of avocado fries, baked avocado fries. So I'm gonna take a little taste test, see what they take a look at the inside. Amazing. Not only are these good, they are very, very healthy. All right, guys, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I know they wasn't wings, but guys, this is something you can make along with your wings. And I really hope you guys appreciate this video. And if you haven't liked the video yet, go ahead and hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do so now. And I appreciate you guys, and I am out. Peace.